Hello, my name is Amanda, and this is my strategy recovery plan for a medical device manufacturing company. So, as the newly promoted director of a mid to large size medical device manufacturing company operating on both East and West Coast, my responsibility is to address decline profits and market share while strengthening the company's long-term competitive position. So in this presentation, I'll outline the strategy I would implement to stabilize operations, regain competitiveness, and position the organization for a sustainable recovery. So the company situation overview, the company manufactures electromechanical devices used in the medical field and employs approximately 100 people across two locations. While the company has experienced past success and strong market share, current economic conditions have led the decline in profits, reduced demand, and increased operation expenses. So these pressures have weakened our competitive position and require a very strategic response. The strategy overview. So to counter-react the decline in the profits and market share, I would implement a hybrid strategy that combines both defensive and offensive elements. I believe this approach allows the organization to stabilize financially in short term, while it also invests in actions that support the long-term growth and competitiveness. The defense strategy, from a defensive standpoint, the focus would be controlling costs, improving operational efficiency, and reducing unnecessary risk. So this includes streamlining manufacturing processes, reviewing supplier contracts, and eliminating inefficiencies that have developed as the company scaled. So these actions help protect margins during economic downturns. Offensively, the company must regain market share and strengthen its value proposition. So this includes refining existing products, improving speed to market, and expanding reach through the partnerships. These actions allow the organization to remain competitive without overextending resources. The strategic tools used. So I would pursue a fast follower strategy, allowing competitors to absorb the risk of first to market innovation while we improve upon proven technologies. So it's strategic alliances with suppliers, distributors, and healthcare system can expand market presence without heavy capital investment. So selective outsourcing of no core activities can further reduce operation costs. The competitive forces. So several competitive forces contribute to the company's decline. So competitive rivalry has increased, placing pressure on pricing. So buyers, such as hospitals and healthcare systems, have strong negotiating power. So supplier costs have risen and strict regulatory requirements increase compliance expenses. And together, this force reduce profitability and limit flexibility. So the campaign overview, ethical considerations are especially critical in the medical device industry. Cost reductions must never compromise the patient safety or product quality. The company must also ensure fair labor practices and strict adherence to the regulatory standards. So, ethical decision making protects both organizations' reputations and the people it serves. Um, Role of like the management team. The management team plays a central role in the recovery, I believe. Operational leaders will improve efficiency, RD will focus on project refinement, and HR we manage fin retraining and hiring. In finance, we track performance. In compliance, we ensure ethical standards are upheld. Clear accountability ensures strategy execution. So the ethics and performance behavior, so the ethical behavior and performance will be monitored through regular audits, complying training, and transparent reporting systems. Performance dashboards will track financial and operational indicators, allowing the leadership to identify issues early and respond effectively. The workforce strategy, rather than relying heavily on layoffs, the company will invest in retraining current employees to support new technologies and processes. Targeted hiring will fix skill gaps, and cross training will improve flexibility and resilience within the workforce. So, overall, the goals are that the strategy's success will be measured through both quantitative and qualitative metrics, including revenue growth, operating margins, market share, and employee retention. So these indicators provide a balanced view of financial recovery and organizational health. In conclusion, a balanced offensive and defensive strategy allows the company to stabilize operations while positioning itself for more sustainable growth. Through the ethical leadership, strategic partnerships, workforce development, and disciplined execution, the organization can regain its competitive position and succeed in a challenging economic environment. That's all. Thank you.